guys, just got done digging for a few test holes for a septic system. There's one there, there's one back there, and then there's one behind me back there. 3 holes, and dug them down about 5 feet. And then the soil scientist comes, looks at them, and makes sure soil is suitable for a septic system. In this case, it's going to be a conventional or at-grade system. And then hopefully we can put it in maybe in a couple months. So just pulling out now, going for a little ride. Just put it in high. Trying to do this one-handed. Just was grading out my turn marks there a little bit. Can you guess where we're headed? The lonely trailer looking for a cat 3055. Alright, we'll get her up on the trailer. Alright, here we go. This one's pretty easy. I like to line the middle beam up right there with the middle beam on the trailer right there, and that ensures that I get equal spacing on either side, and the load is for the most part centered, and when it is centered you have less chance that it's going to want to tip either way, like whether you're going around a corner or something. It just keeps everything evened out better. I'm just lining those two up right down there. Go out nice and easy, idle down a little bit even. And then that just kind of takes away the speed of the machine, especially when you're going up. Down we go, nice and gentle. Just kind of watching side to side. And I'll show you here. So I got about that much. That side, it's hard to see. Spin all the way around. Always look up too when you're spinning around, that's a big deal. There's no power lines, anything to hit, no obstructions, but anyway, there's the spacing on the other side. So then when I know I'm where I want to be, as far as side to side, you can see if you look even on the beams, right there, there's a track, there's a couple inches showing. And then there's a couple inches showing on that one too. So that kind of tells you you're nice and centered on the trailer. And then I square the body of the machine up, bring this one over, come down, curl everything in real tight. And I'm just going to come ahead until I get that right on my block. And that's just so that stick doesn't punch through the trailer when we're going down the road, because that's a lot of point load there. I'd like to put like a 1/4 inch plate of steel on that so it don't happen, but take all the play out of it. It's down all the way, good and hard, and I'll just chain it down. See you later.